have spread the philosophy and opinions of Rastafari through the music and through the levity that here we reach now, all over the world, people are shed tears, literally shed tears too. Literally, I not talk about, metaphorically, we are talking about literally I shed tears when them see the devastation upon them phone and upon them TV. But guess what now? It now go stay so forever. Because we see the people them a rally. We see the people them a come together and a do what them can do. Yes, a do what them can do. We want to heal up Jamaica Public Service. I never know one day I tell you to see this, I say I gotta heal them up. The reason why I gotta heal them up is because it's the first hurricane I ever see, which is the biggest hurricane ever licked Jamaica. And I see light come back so much, in so much places. And we know say a whole heap of light not come back yet in a whole heap of places. But light, one of the main ingredients in survival at this time, light, electric light, come back in a whole heap of community. And when the light come back, the water appear, because most of them pump the water is electricity. So we see a whole heap of community of water. Light and water is ingredients to make people not feel so bad. See, so we give thanks. But as we said, there's much more to be done. This now will take 1, 2, 3 years. Many years. Yeah, man, many years. But to give thanks for what is happening right now, who can say nothing happen? Maybe in a year, little area, nothing happen. But if you cross over from your area to the next area, you might see a whole heap of things that happen. And don't feel no way. Help is coming your way. Every community, whether it's government help or it's individual help, it's going to work out. Yeah, man, it's going to work out. I hear some argument about whole political things. First of all, I could talk about the how much generator me hear say the government get. And according to our ear, someone that tell me last night say the government has say them are going to lend the generator to the people them. And them are going to find somewhere to store them. Now, I want the government know say the generator them could be a part of the solving the mystery when light gone off in a school, in a hospital and certain places, community center and all them thing there. Maybe we should have look about make the people them or the place them keep the generator, set up a little thing, a little house, like when I say house, I talk about somewhere can hold the generator. That's whether hurricane or not, you can have light continuously and you don't have to sit down in the dark when you pick them and the pick them computer can't work and all them something there because them not have no electricity. Because GPS, it's not, sometimes it's not very reliable to have continuous electricity. So I would suggest that them keep the generator them in the schools. Every school should have a generator. Yes, every school should have a generator. And we just said enough generator come here. So I don't know if that sound like something where can work. Make the generator them stay in the community. Set them in a way where, just like how you have public service have them things, them big something on the roadside where them fence round, lock and key and everything round it. Because nobody now for go, they got trouble to as electricity gone, so it does chip in. And some know generator work nowadays. You know, generator, dead, as the light gone out, boom, generator chip in. As the light come back, boom, generator chip out. So I use it, you go talk about, you go pack up generator in one place and wait for next hurricane. When the generator them can dead. The only reason why a man should have want to trouble the generator them. And that can be a government thing. Where them go around with diesel or whatsoever them put in the generator, which most of them are diesel, and open up the place where the generator them there, full it up back, and lock up back the place and gone to the next one. So I don't know my sound. Generator for each school, generator for each place of where them call it now, where people gather, community center, you know, them kind of way there. And them the next thing, what I really want to say, I'm going to say it last night. You know, say them wooden house there where you see people are built there. You know, say a whole heap of reason why so much of the house top them blow off is because them don't have no hurricane strap on the raft of them. Hurricane strap is it make for hurricane, you know, that's why it name hurricane strap. And people who are build wood house, them don't know say, or even the carpenter them who are build the house them just nail up the nail on the raft and the weight name and then zinc it and put it on and realize one of the things them can alleviate the problem of house blow or house top blow off is hurricane strap. Hurricane strap can help the roof not to blow off. I tell you that. The man them who invent hurricane strap, them know why it do that way. They will carry a little piece of metal with twist and it have two hole where you screw down on the side of the house and on the rafter. And you get that. And you must, one of the things them people do sometime, you know, is when them hear the breeze blow, them lock up the whole of them place. And you have always have a little hole where things seep through. Now, you see if you have a window over one side where you want left open, look for the next place over the other side where you make open that the breeze can go through and pass through it, because if the breeze come in at your house and don't have nowhere to release itself, it can lift off your house top. May I tell you that? If the breeze can't come out, if you caulk up your house to the point where breeze are coming but can't come out back, it's like you pump a tire. It's like you pump a tire, you know, and you pump the tire with the air and they pump it. And them tell you how much air for going at the tire, you know, and if you go over it sometime, the tire will bust for you. And you know where the tire bust. So it's the same thing with your house. When breeze are blow and you feel breeze are come through one area, go over and look to see another area there and open the part there, make the breeze come out. That is a scientific fact. That is why all time house have the little, you know, the little window thing where them have, where they on the top, where the side of the house them, all time house used to have it, a little, what them call it, because slit. Opening up at the top. You have one over one side and one over the other side. That is the reason why them have it, you know, because them know say breeze come in, breeze come out. If the breeze come in and the breeze can't come out, it's going to come like a rubber tire, blow and blow, like a balloon. Where a balloon, you blow the balloon and the air now come out. Boom! All stop gone. So you have things can secure certain things. And me don't say, now, all stop now go blow off because it have on right now. What me I say is a precaution we are talking about. Precaution. Less house would have it blow down. All stop would have blow off if it did have an hurricane strap. So may I say that as part of my contribution to how the thing can go a certain way. So anybody who have build house after now and get some lumber and thing to build back them house, tell the carpenter say, you go down at the hardware go buy some hurricane strap. Or buy hurricane strap and strap it down. Simple. Don't make nobody come disturb it. You know, yes, the people just are disturb. And on time now if you really get out of the hand like them 4 youth to get dead last night and night before. You know, them time, man. Hey, I wanted them youth, man. I wanted them. 4 of them dead, you know. 4 of them get licked. While they're saying it, nobody no believe in our love again. Because if it, hey, watch a man. Oh, a man can see where I'm going here so now and decide, say, him going to rob people or take, what them call it, money to kill people. Because I can't do it here with them, man. There's like them go up on a mission to kill a man, and them did kill the man. But now the 4 of them gone. We go up on the mission, 4 of them dead. I don't know how much people the police them kill that area, but it come like the murder rate drop to a certain portion. I don't know how much it gone, you know. Maybe Vivian can tell me how much the murder rate is up to today. But maybe if you add where the police kill on top of that, you can't see same amount of people will get killed by gun. Yeah, it's terrible, out it. It's terrible, man. We are going to go for the news and the sports and come forward. Yes, news and sport time. Yes. Anyone out there follow where we are going in America? May I tell you? And may I tell you, I come like a third world country where I listen to, you know. Yes, EL.
Hello.
Yeah, blessed.
Yes, order.
Yeah, man, me there.
Yeah, the crisis we're in and the rebuilding that needs to be done in the West, in particular, where you have 5 parties, but what I'm saying
is Westmoreland.
More related to Westmoreland.
Yeah.
You know, there's this business of people building, what do you call it, movable houses, right? There's a lot of it. And the reason for that is that the people now have title possession to the property, to the land. Am I correct?
Yeah, well, me used to see it at Jonestown, not Jonestown, you know, people take out the house and put
we're describing, well, it's a phenomenon around the country, but it's more prominent, from my understanding, in Westmoreland.
Yeah, but it's happening at Jonestown, too.
Yes, man. Give that, but Jonestown, no, in a disaster here. I don't think, no. But saying that, I want to go on to something else, whereas are you familiar with what they call disaster capitalism?
I know what name disaster, I know what capitalism, but I don't know the 2 of them together mean.
Yeah, man, the 2 of them go together when you have a situation like what you have in Jamaica just now, or what happened in the United States at Katrina. There's a business where you have what? Clean sheet or clean state.
Mm.
And where the help that comes in, moves in to capitalize the reconstruction and change the whole structure of the place.
Yeah.
It happened in several countries around the world. Is what is about to happen also now in Gaza.
What's happening in St. Elizabeth too, I can't tell the Prime Minister say.
Oh, that's why they want to build a new city.
Yeah, that him say, me hear my talk about it, say, Kingston and Montego Bay is a little bit, eh?
I didn't quite have that in mind, thanks to remind me.
Yeah.
I thought it more applied to Westmoreland, but when you put it together, and that's where they want to build a new city, who's going to finance it, who's going to participate in it, and you have hate coming in, but one of the dangers with the hate coming in, more money go out than stay.
Yeah.
So we need to be wise to that.
So what you think should I do now? What you think is the main thing should have happen right now, apart from cleaning up the road them and, you know, getting things to the people them? But what you think on a long-term basis, what you think can happen now?
Well, they need to do ecological survey of the different parishes then.
Yes.
And you need to tap out where you mustn't build or it's risky to build.
That me say too.
Keep away from the river courses and the areas that are flooding. Because we know about it, people, beginning of the century, beginning of last century to know. We know the frequencies of flooding take place.
Yes.
Right? This one is probably a little bit more extreme in recent observations. But we've been building. It's just like the old system in developing the roadworks in Jamaica. It's always alongside the river course, most of the time.
Them need to really re-evaluate how them a build the road them too.
Yeah, I know.
Where them a build road, yes, them need to do that.
You travel around Jamaica a lot. Isn't a lot of the roads right along the river course?
Yes, yes.
I look down in the river, I look down in the valley and the river down.
Yeah, man, you look down, you look down and go to see the river.
So when flooding take place, it coming for the road.
Yeah, and not only that, the water take away back the dirt under the tar and the cement. And soften it.
Yeah, the degradation, it eat it out.
Yeah, the tar can only go that far and the white malt. After that, it's pure dirt and water just...
You're lucky if it's a rocky area.
Yes,
because that place that survived that I'm familiar with is the river course, the Rycover.
Yes.
Big part of it is significant rock formation.
Yes.
So it holds up.
Yeah.
So we got to wise up, man, because when these guinea girls come in with their extra dollars, they're going to dictate what's to happen.
And I want to tell you, say, why it's really depressing to say this, but the money we are coming to Jamaica, we are going to hear about it, but we're not going to see how the money spent. And if we get things for the money, I mean, people feel sympathetic towards Jamaica right now, and they must send money, but I wonder if we're going to know how the money spent and where it go,
See them I set the thing up to mask it right now, the information. You want to set up a structure separate from the normal governmental structure to supervise and monitor and manage what is to take place. Because that's where we can management,
Of course, I don't say too.
We don't look ahead. We want the quickest thing right now. For the cheapest price.
And the biggest praise. And the biggest praise in the next election.
What that?
And the biggest praise in the next election.
Well, there you go. running a government or developing a country towards the next election, don't get anything put down substantially. Just people over the problems you have or the difficulties you have till something like this come along. So we really look at it. These places that flooded. Take for instance in some areas, the build near the ponds them or the streams or the wetlands. For instance, where the crocodile populate. When the flooding come and the area expanded water, it's natural that the crocodile will move out. Expand to the water,
Out of Black River there.
It's natural for them. Well, I'm not naming any particular. Well, we have some areas near in St. Catherine here, right? And people complaining. But we go build near the areas where
disturb it.
Man, the crocodiles them just working it, and because they are. That's how they get their feeding. So one stop is in the water there. That's what they feed on. Because they're scavengers.
Yes.
Right? In the water. And the drunker them do it on land.
I tell you.
That's another thing, but the most prominent one is the drunkards. Although we don't see many of them around these days. Right? I don't know what we've been doing. I have some suspicion that we pollute the atmosphere so much that them can't tolerate it, or only a few of them tolerate it. So they're scared. Yeah.
Very scared too. Not to mention the fish them. All of them nastiness we go to see. And now we have our dead bodies and
that's a bigger problem. It's not so immediate. It's not in the nastiness. It's when you go to talk about that, you talk about the plastic.
In the fish them belly. We can't come out. Yeah.
Right? They're feeding on it now.
Yes.
Right? The plastic. So I eat fish, I eat fish that...
Yeah, eat back the plastic where you throw away.
Ingest plastic. Talk about cancer.
But you see, all of them things, I don't think the people them who are responsible for certain things take certain things into consideration. Like how we are talking about the plastic, you know. People have said don't throw this plastic bottle, but look how much bottle now gone on the sea. Because the people them who live on the gully edge just use the gully as a dumping ground. And look how much water come there now. Everything gone to the sea, you know.
Yeah.
So where the fisherman are come with now is fish with mercury. You know, with a plastic bag in them belly and all them way. And Sunday dinner is a dinner of fish with plastic.
Yeah. Everything exists with a ecology, you know. Ecology system. You have to recognize what you do. We, the plants and the animals, and the waterways, we have to flex one another to have a reasonable situation to thrive in. When you mess up with the balance, things go awry.
Yeah.
The idea is to keep it in balance, to be aware of it, and keep it in balance. So we have work to do, but we don't like to work. We like to talk. Talk it over. Talk it away. Right, deal with it.
All right, sir. Give thanks. Give thanks.
All right. Thank you, Mota.
Yeah, man. Okay. Yes, I mean, it's more than just house a blow down. You know, people now know where to live. It's more than that. Because you have to look on the ecological imbalance that will take place right now. You know, all these water, you know, them say, Jamaica, they're on top of a mountain, you know, the whole of the island. If you move with the water from around Jamaica, you know, it's a mountain, it's depend, you know. Yeah, that means say, there's water under Jamaica, under the earth right now. Just like how you have places like in Adelphi and Cockpit Mountain and all them places there. People might live there for years and never see water run certain way, you know. And now they must see it. And people are wonder where them water they come from. Or what if them water they are no rain, you know. A water where it's under the ground. Where the earth now decides say it's going to rise up. And the water going to rise up on the top and wash the place. So we have to even take a stock now of what we're doing, how we're going to preserve and protect this imbalance now where people just do what they want to the earth, do what they want to the river, and just think that they're going to get away with it. We're not going to get away with it. We're not going to get away with it. The earth have a way for just clean up itself. Made a man put this or that, so if it's not a earthquake, it's a hurricane or something else. Anyway, we'll take a break and come forward. Break time.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. IRIA FM, IRIA FM, IRIA FM.
Well, you go through the places, as I say, we take some phone call. Why you are going to your community. Why you think should have gone to your community. Yes, ill. Bless it. Yeah, man, how you do?
Hey, again, sir, watch me now. Me just appeal. No, may I make the man them please bring back Buju Banton Starlink. Make the man can carry around our country for the people them get in contact with them loved ones and them friends. Please. We are play, we are beg. Where's the Mutabaruka?
No, me say, me hear you, sir. Me hear you.
Yes, man, and for we look a friend to leak one wherever they are with we. I don't hear him from last night, you know, I kind of either listen out here or go on. So, I don't know if you hear from him yet.
Who?
The bridging the way about about leak one, man, and him there on the program, I'm more time with me. And in a way, I don't hear him back.
No, I don't hear him.
Yeah, I hope him safe and things still.
Him all right, man.
Okay. All right. Yes, boss it. We there listen. I hope the man them return the thing. I beg the big man them, Mr. Vaza and Buju Banton, you know, work together, man. And a time for really, because Buju have feel it, you know. Buju have feel it, and then no, Mr. Vaza. Yeah, God, you know, him come and knock Rasta, say, boy, the Rasta tell lie. And the man literally cry, say, boy, them gone with all him stove. So more Mr. Vaz looking at it and get back the thing for the people.
No, wait the whole on. Wait the whole on, man. Hold on, you go too fast, man.
Yes, Chief.
You hear Buju Banton apology, or not an apology, you hear it?
Well, no apology no needed, because he never did knock the government, you know, just the PC thing. And the government has said, you know, the government has said, no missing.
The government has said, no missing.
Yeah, but that no, them say, no missing, because them look into it and check cameras and things.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I don't hear from, I don't go see Buju Banton yet. But from Buju, I say something, I don't know why them would have said the rest of them and I tell lies.
Oh, you mean?
Because the people must know what them do.
They tell lie for Rasta every day. Hey, they tell lie for Rasta every day.
That's true.
You don't know why they want to. Hey.
That's true, you know. But I hope Buju hold firm and I make that deter him, you know. And go on, if I buy the tea next time,
that's never deter the youth, man. That never turn it. That never make him.
Yeah, man, change. And get another link for the people them to Buju Banton. And enough respect. Mutabaruka.
Yeah. All right, sir. I step in raise at this now to the door. Fish was here, no go sleep. So, up to November the 8th, we have 571 murders in Jamaica. Up to November the 8th. I hear say the police them gone about 200 and I don't know if you know how much the police them gone, but the police them are gone 200 murder, 200 how much? I have a year ago, about 571 murders that cut down the murder rate in Jamaica by enough. Yeah, by enough. So, we don't know if when the police them kill somebody, if them count that as murder. Because them are going to say a government people do the killing. And you know, government people usually get away with whole heap of things. But I want to remember, say, the police, some youth same way, you know. Whole heap of them come from country and come at town, come town police. And that's the job where them get right now. And them glad to have a gun where legal can slap it on them waist. And don't feel no way for show it. And them no ram. Cause you hear them talk, the politicians talk like say, look here. If them not give up, you know it's a cemetery, them have to give up now the cemetery. It's a terrible thing. But we'll hope say the thing not get away because people not have nowhere to stay and no one. You know, sometimes the anger get put on something we're not supposed to get put on. Because you know, a man hungry and a man picnic, not have no house. It's a weird thing that, you know. And they must say by any means necessary. So you know, say you there at the tipper gun. When him decides him go yell. Yell. Let go the radio. Let go the radio.
Well, good afternoon, Muti.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man, I hear you now.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Steppin razor.
Yeah, Steppin Razor, Wagwan. I don't know if you remember 2007, you know, when we come a Marcus Garvey birthday bash and your grandson introduced me to you.
Look here, I don't remember where I do yesterday.
This is the lady, the Rasta lady. I'm from
15
Maple.
years ago you talk about.
I'm from Maple.
2010 or 15 years ago. Eh? So I'm to that to the lady now. What the lady want to say?
Yeah, me there, I know, me there. Me say we are getting things them and them same one at TV back from where and them should argue with.
All right, tell me who I get it and who I thief it.
I don't know, but them are take and them are thief.
Who's them? Who's them? Who's them?
Me don't know who them.
Then why you said on the radio you don't know who you know if anyone will get robbed because them get things and
then one man go down and Westmoreland with the van of food and sitting and they not take away from him and take away all the van.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Him come from your area?
Yeah, this side.
Where's this side? Where's this side? Where's this side?
They take up something for care, go give them the homeless. Yeah, if you call Ambra man in and beg him, say, do if I have one item, put their name on him, mommy fancy one idea.
So where you live now? Where do you know?
Me live in Maple, for me bathroom tap gone, you know, but me won't stop no gonna board house and board kitchen, but me did put on the thing them where you talk about and it.
Hurricane strap.
And I run, so not do it. But he blow off my bathroom tap.
Oh, you never put none on the bathroom tap?
Me did put some black, sir, but it look like...
No, black. Wait, the black. Watch a man. Them breeze will blow black off a zinc, you know.
Me one day, and my son, they bought the place, but it was security, and I started me work, he look the last one.
So it never did it? So
no, it never did it.
No,
I mean, one after me yard.
Wait a man. The hurricane shot the dip on the bathroom?
No.
It don't get on the house?
Yes, and the kitchen.
So why never make them put it on the bathroom?
Because me did only block up the shower side and tile it out. The whole like black up, you know, but just this side to the bowl now, apply, me put on it. The ply no move, but the top blow off.
Yeah. I remind the people, you know, listen to me I say, you know.
Yes.
Listen to me I say, you know, if you build a wood house right now, go buy some hurricane strap and put on the raft of them.
We have it on the room.
Eh?
No do it. No leaking, nothing.
And breeze that tear it, blow it all, right? Don't breeze that blow it.
Yeah, you know trouble it.
Yeah, man.
But it tear down. If you see how you do me cherry tree and me ackee tree around this and then take up the bathroom.
Yeah, everybody, all me, I know my pear tree, my coconut, two coconut tree, pear tree.
Yeah, man.
Jackfruit tree.
Well, big up yourself, Muta. I swear you go, my brother.
All right,
stay safe. I love black house to that night, I know. Me love Kai board house cooler.
Yeah, I prefer the black house. I prefer board house too.
Yeah, because I seal it out. Everybody and my cousin them come in and ask me, say, Miguel, you need anybody do it.
So how long you live in that house there?
For me, we do a man out there, and the man, I see woman and sit now, one man in come in the bathroom and see me and say to me, say, look, yeah.
The man go in the bathroom and do what?
Like, yeah. Me say, me no just bury my brother and me one you to take care of him and sit. So, me no, but I say nothing to him. Me go buy 2 pictures, you know, mommy win $8,000. Me say, me son come here, go buy that gas. Yeah, me and go to the hotel, go buy because of mommy come home and me yard. They me there from 2019.
2019 you there from?
Yeah.
And are you one live?
Yeah, we son them they out in I town. 155 with me they go with them.
Oh, them get big now.
Yeah.
All right, Mama, give thanks for you.
I just stand to myself, I still want like a whole man. If one whole man want me, I love me, I find me. No, I know young boy. Why? Yeah, 59 years old, 13 where I come and they're 60.
Hold on.
Everybody say I lie me, I tell me no so old.
Yo, hold on, man. Where you talk to yourself for? Talk to me, man. Even me ask you. How old you be?
Me 59.
And you look a little old man.
Yes, sir. Me old man, they more loving and more nice.
Oh, yeah, so you talk to a young boy already and they don't treat you good.
Like, me baby father, them like 2 year, me 2-year-old.
Oh, man, that's not a young boy, man. Okay, so you look a little old man
the
now.
first daughter, father, 6-year-old on me. Like, them, the age man go.
Oh, you want a man with 6-year-old than you?
Yeah, or 10, or what?
Or like me.
No, you have to like that.
We do it
You have to look what I am friend.
Oh, me too old.
No, I'm not too old. Can me sit down, take care of you, scrub your foot, do whatever.
What? I tell you. Anyway, until you get back an address, give me it. Come visit you. Until you get back an address, give me.
For who? For me?
Anytime you get back an address, where you live, not talk. For me, give me the address.
Me live, man. Have a night.
Okay. All right, well, stay safe, yeah?
Do me look farming around me. I don't pay yesterday. I see cassava. I go pull cookie. Kind of take little spring, but it's soft and nice.
It has spring.
Yeah, but it's soft and nice. You cook in a cold water and water for then it cook.
All right. That sound good. So you help yourself, man. You help yourself.
Yeah, man, me help myself, man. Me about me skin in my backyard. Me gungu.
Wow.
No do me gungu then. Me glad.
Yes. And like December come no gungu time.
Right, no.
Yeah.
Right,
all
now me go down there, they go pick 6 lime.
That good. Give thanks, yeah? We're gone.
Your grandson did introduce you to me when we come on my first birthday back.
Yeah, that you say. That's 15 years ago.
To me now, I say, hey. And it's like, you just step up before your pan stage and say, Grandpa. And I said, what you doing, Muta? You to play music and talk to me. And I say, your grandson introduced me to you.
All right.
And his mother and father was there.
All right, we have to move on, you know. You're going over the break time.
Pick up yourself. Love you.
Yeah, all right, Mama. Give thanks.
And thanks to the phone I do.
All right.
Big up.
Break time. All right, yes, El.
Yes, Muta. How are you doing?
Man. All right.
Okay.
Talk, man.
Thanks for having me again.
Oh! Are you? Just come on, just so. Nobody ever tell me, say, are you?
They didn't? Well, I'm
you know, so I'm supposed to have an interview right as so we did, but it's the paper me that look for to say, what next? Anyway, I'm say you can't stay. Give thanks. I them call give thanks. All right, so we're going to start back from where we left off last week.
Yes.
All right? And you didn't make some, think talk, say, by next week, this and that going to happen. All right.
Yes.
Between last week we talked Thursday and now, what has happened that never happened last week?
All right. So last week we never had any water from the Great River system. That's the big pump station that's right on the border of Hanover and Westmoreland, right?
Mm-hmm.
That plant, you remember we talked a little bit, you were so amazed about the fact that the entire pipeline which crossed the river. Yes.
We don't find it back.
It's fine no motor, that last man. But in a serious way.
Yeah.
And it displaced a whole heap of people. So we have, what we've had to do is to literally install a replacement pipeline. So that same river road at Great River, we connected a 32-inch pipeline from where it broke off, bring it onto the bridge, and in this time, instead of going across the river again, we've connected it, bolted it onto the bridge itself.
Okay.
And then reconnected it into what we call the treatment plant, right? That's where the water is treated, disinfected, filtered, and then we pump it to our customers.
So which community that go to?
All right, so it got to a whole heap of place. It covers about 40 kilometers. So it runs west right into Lucy, and it also goes into Mobie. It goes up the hill to Mango Walk or Leaders Avenue. So, you know, when you're coming from the airport, there's a left turn that sometimes you can use to bypass the traffic.
Yes.
All right, we have a large tank on that road, just overlooking Cornwall College.
Yeah.
So the Great River comes all the way into the city and goes into that tank. It also goes up not near Cornwall Regional into the Salem area, and we have another big storage tank there that we use. So 50%
so water there, them place we are talking about now, water there?
Yeah, mainly on the flat though. So it's on the lower side of Salem. So the big thing now, Muta, is
the lower side
we
of
still
Salem,
rely on the power.
Where the whole on the lower side of Salem, not near the hospital, that?
Pretty much, yes.
And you said the hospital have water, right?
The hospital getting some water. It's still a balance out, meaning that sometimes the pressure is a little low, but we have some teams that are working with the hospital's team to ensure that they don't run out. So every morning, every evening, we check in with them.
So the place them where we talk about last week, where you say, I got have water this week.
Yes.
Name the place them, near the community them have water when they have water last week. Tell me name
Catherine
them.
Hall have water now, West Green. You remember the place there where have a whole heap of mud into it?
Yeah.
Right there, so have water now. Going down Barnett Street have water. Bogue have water.
Welcome to Granville.
Granville going to need a next. So the lower section of Granville would have some. But we're still working on the power restoration right on that Portobello Road.
Tucker now water.
Going around. So we have a system called Fairfield. We have a deep well around that side. The power company is working on that. Yes.
So the water didn't go up to Tucker?
No, it not go all the way up to Tucker.
But Tucker not far from which part Fairfield there?
But Tucker have a different system. So even though we can probably splice in some, it's not going to be sufficient because most of the network is on that Tucker system at Fairfield.
All right, so what to the Rastafari village where around where you cut off oh gosh man. Like you got Adelphi where there. You don't know which part the Rastafari village there, eh? The Rastafari Indigenous Village. Eh?
Go on again.
The Rastafari Indigenous Village, man. When you reach...
You see anywhere past John's Hall, I gather the road not so straight around there anymore.
No. This there Mobile, man. The Rastafari Village, there Mobile.
Where in Mobile?
All right. Where the plaza name again? The plaza where they're on the street there. So where name again?
Bay West Side?
Well, I can't remember the plaza. You see, no, my brain's not work with it. So when you come out of Mobile, right, where the clock there, you turn left. Where you call this again? Where the plaza names again, sir?
That's right at
all right. You see, when you come out,
Westgate Plaza, you're talking? Right at Westgate?
Westgate, yeah.
Right.
When you turn up the road up on the left.
That
and the water over that area there.
Sign Orange.
Eh?
That road take you to Sign or Orange.
Yeah. So may I ask you if water reach that's all?
All right. So part of that road we have two systems meet up there, so I can confirm if the village getting water, how far up the road it goes.
It's not that far. The water, the village is not that far up the road.
So it should be good. If you have a contact there, we can follow up and confirm.
Yeah, man. The man, somebody I listen from there, they will call me and say, Muta, with a brother they talk about.
Well, I'm not saying they have it, but I'm saying we can confirm.
Confirm.
Yes.
All right. So I hope somebody in the village there call me and tell me if what. Just call now to before him come out for the thing and that, so can crucify him if it's not up there. Call now.
Then Muta, why you have to deal with the thing that way? Remember, it's a work in progress.
Yeah, man. Well, I know why you think we really have to crucify your brethren. That's why I deal. No. But just want them call before you come out.
Which is right. Yeah, man.
So tell them
feedback
you have water and no water. Eh?
Right. So let me tell you what's happening now. So you see, based on where we are at with Great River, is almost a three segments of work, right?
Yeah.
One of them was to get electricity back at the treatment plant, then also electricity at the what we call the intake, or where the water channel from the river into the pipes.
Yeah.
Right? So the intake does not yet have electricity. What we are using there is a generator.
Okay.
So we are about 50%, but about 2 o'clock today, I got an update that the JPSCO team is on site.
Yes.
They're making good progress. So
by 4 o'clock, they will go have it?
No, yeah, pressure me. Maybe by 4 o'clock tomorrow. You know? Yeah, we're not give you no favor. Right. So we're hoping tomorrow, which means that we could get to full production at Great River. And then the next target now, you asked me about Salt Spring, Farmites, Norwood. We're going to need power at those plants. So we're working on 2 solutions, JPSCO's restoration and also moving some generators to those plants. So so we can pump the water, because those are higher than where the water would run by gravity. Yes. Yeah. So we have to give it a boost.
All right. So we mentioned one top of Janzal now.
So that side,
too far?
The Janzal area, we can't access beyond a certain point. So we even have some colleagues up there. They're having to go Anchovy, Roampton, and go around Mafuta side to get back into their community. So we've not fully completed the assessment of those systems yet.
Okay.
You know, just the terrain is a problem.
Summerton
is the same thing. I remember Summerton is beyond Janzal.
Yeah.
Right. So I can't give you. We have about 2 systems around there. One of them is way down in the river valley. We call it Endeavour.
Mm-hmm.
It's not so pretty in that space right now.
Oh yeah. True. Why? Because what?
Just the fact that in some places the rivers have flooded.
Okay.
The trees are blown down. The light wires or JPSCO poles are down. And then the rivers also bring what you call silt or mud. So it's going to take some work to clean those. But the harder part is even just to access them with the equipment that you need to do so. So 2 weeks in, we are not at the completion in terms of clearing and being able to start the fixing up for those facilities as yet.
All right, so let me ask you now, Montego Bay, right? Montego Bay, this is including now, we may have a call this a Montego Bay still, but let me say, which part of the big hotel there, Holiday Inn, not Holiday Inn.
Which one?
Long a Carl Garden, the man.
Oh, yes, so you have...
Water garden, this one?
It's not really getting there fully right now.
What don't they no flat man, no hillside, that man?
So here's the thing now. The Mutabaruka system is normally the plant that sends water along that stretch.
Okay.
All right. So Mutabaruka is now back on generator, but we found 2 breaks already. One was at Lilliput, that was at 24-inch. I think I told you about that.
Lilliput, me not try remember, you know. Lilliput, me not try.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So we fixed that one last Thursday. After I spoke to you, I got some pictures. Then we went further down now. Well, we went further east towards Falmouth, and we found at least one other section in the Salt Marsh area where the pipe was entirely dislocated as well. So those are killing the pressure where it's not really getting as far along the coast as we would want to.
Okay.
Right, so what we keep doing, Muta, is to pump, check the line, pinpoint where the breaks are, because there's a lot of places where you've had storm surge or tree roots have been uprooted, and those have also flipped out the pipes and dislocated them.
I imagine that, yes.
That is it. Yeah. So we're having to repair those as we go along. So we don't take it for granted that because we're pumping that customers are getting water. We literally have to track the line and check it.
All right, so let me ask you a question now.
Yeah, man.
overall, given what we talked about last week and now, how much percentage of water is had now from last week till now? How much percentage?
All right. So yesterday, me share the information there, and this morning we have to get up and kind of put it into a different context. I gave an overall figure yesterday, so I'm not going to start with that. I'm going to give you east and west, right?
Yeah.
East side is from St. Ann go out to Portland, and then also from Clarendon go out to St. Thomas. That side is about 87% in terms of restoration. That side has not been so badly hit by the hurricane.
Yeah.
The western parishes now are just about 50%. And
Hanover and Trelawney and them places.
Hanover, Trelawney,
Westmoreland.
St. James, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, and a part of Manchester too. So we count those 6 parishes as the western side.
Yeah, but Montego Bay, you'll count Montego Bay on the western side?
Yeah, man.
So Montego
Bay
Bay no have no water.
From St. James.
So Montego Bay they have water, that you say?
Yeah, then Muta, as we speak, and not, I'm saying it because it's a part of the urgency that my team is moving with. We still don't see any water yet up Farmite. We still don't see any water yet in Salt Spring. So what we've had to do for a couple of the areas is we've put up some what we call standpipes.
Yes.
Right? So I think we've put between 3 or 4 between Norwood and Flanker area. And then what we'll do is truck to those spots and fill the tanks so persons can get some drinking water. We're hoping, as I said, that as soon as we get Great River running full 100, then we can also start pumping into Rose Heights and beyond into Cornwall Courts and so on.
And that also depends on the electricity too.
Yeah, man, it's going to require their support. But they've been giving us their full 100. So even where they are working now out in Great River, I don't even know how to describe it. You know when you used to have dull machetes?
Yeah, dull, yeah.
And your grandfather also said, chop down them bush there and just lick off the head off of the tree them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how the riverbank looks.
Yeah.
Right? So for JPS's team to even get to it is a significant effort, and we have to salute them.
Well, brethren, you sound like your work though, your work.
We're pushing out. We're pushing out.
You sound like your work.
Yeah. And I want to also just signal my team because, I'm giving the information, but we have men and women who are working, who some of our team have lost their homes.
Yes. Especially for other people's house.
Yes. So our team, St. Bess and also Westmoreland, we have people who are without homes. I have a staff member in the same Somerton area. Today is the first I heard from her. Just got messages over the last 2 weeks. She's just able to make it out of her home. So we are putting out our best, even though there are also personal challenges that our team members are experiencing. And we have to salute them for that.
Yeah. Yes. Anyway, I'm give thanks for your work.
Yes, sir.
I hope say, I'll call you back next week.
Send you a link, man. I'll send you an update. I will send you an update.
Yeah, send me an update that the people them can feel like something are going on for them,
Definitely.
I will heap of them places, the people them feel like something are going on for them,
That is true.
Yeah.
Right? I just want to signal when you say that though. So what we're doing, like today, we know there are some places that just getting the plant back up might be a challenge. So feel free to share the reports that you get. We have been partnering with the ODPEM. There are also a number of what they call relief agencies coming into the country who have been helping to put up like temporary water supply stations. What they can do is we confirm the water that they are treating, like if there's a river or so nearby, we we work with the Ministry of Health to confirm, and they help to distribute water to persons who are in need.
Yeah, and we send 5 gallon bottle of water, hoping say that will go far, but water is very important, especially now.
It is.
Very important, so
yes.
That's why we really have to stress the water thing, because, water and light is this, but you say sometimes you have to have the generator, the power, to have the water too. If you don't have the generator, you just have the water. So, water, light, and then after you work out the other things then. Anyway, we give thanks to our brethren. We give thanks.
Thanks again, Muta, for having me.
Yeah, man. All right.
Take care.
Yes, so, you hear the man say, and if you know him call you here and don't feel no way, because maybe some other people that look about the part too. Yeah, that's right there. That's right there. Okay, here we go. All right. Blessed? Blessed?
Hello?
Yeah. You hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay. Great.
So we want to talk about something that is very pressing right now amongst the community of the Rastafari, right?
Right.
Yes, and the thing is that ganja is one of the things them where like people are go around it away and I know say it's part of the economy too.
Right.
All right. Tell me what is it that is happening as it relates to the ganja planters, the ganja field, and just ganja in itself. What is happening?
All right. Right now, the scene with ganja is just one of devastation, destruction, sadness, and expenses, to be honest. They've lost a lot. Some farmers have lost land completely. This is Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Montego Bay, all over that side of the island. Crops have been completely washed away. You have greenhouses that are gone. It's horrific. I've been seeing a lot of farmers who have taken videos and pictures of their places, what's left of it, and it's not looking good at all.
So you make a survey, or just people that send you pictures everywhere there? How it go?
All right, no. So I'm an advocate for marijuana, right? So I have been on the ground with farmers from across the island, and I've been checking in with them, how are things going? We were talking before the hurricane, how have you prepared? Because it's something I have an active interest in. So I've been doing my outreach, and as I said, everyone on that side of the island is just, they're not feeling good right now.
Orange Hill's there?
Terrible. They're hoping that they'll be able to get everything turned around by Christmas, but that's highly unrealistic for a lot of them.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's terrible. When orange get lick and it get licked. And in a cent on the top of the cent on the...
Yeah.
Percent on the are going?
I'm not completely sure about St. Anne. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, you have an estimation of how much lost in terms of quantity and how much money, earnings, how much loss out of that?
Well, because I haven't really gotten to assess, I don't think I've even really gotten a good handle on the situation, meaning I think there's so much more than I've been exposed to. I wouldn't want to throw a figure out there and then undersell it, but I know that the damage is great. Right now, a lot of them, naturally, hurricane relief efforts are usually targeted at food and, clothing, that type of thing. But specific to our farm, pardon?
Ganja food, man. No vegetable.
All right, it's food, it's medicine, it's everything. But nobody's paying attention to it.
Yeah.
Nobody is speaking up for our farmers. They need help. A lot of them don't even have electricity right now, so they don't have any, they use lights and so on. Yeah. So it's crippling what they do have left in any case.
So in the greenhouse, them have solar light in the greenhouse, them?
Yeah, but everything is gone. Think about it. This thing took the roof.
Blew away.
Yeah, man. It was just a tent that's everything gone.
All right, so what going to happen now? What is it? What you want?
All right,
to
so
happen?
right now I'm encouraging and spreading awareness about relief drives that I've encountered. One in particular, the biggest one I've encountered so far, is from a US-based company. They're called Upling, and they do cannabis dispenser and so on in the US, and they have an interest in Jamaica, given that they visited our farms and they feel connected to the people. So they've started a relief drive. It's called Rising Roots. And what they're doing is raising funding and donations to go towards the specific needs of the farmers. So the donations include things like generators, farming tools, seeds, lights. Farmers that have to meet requirements in order to get licenses, such as certain security systems. So it includes security cameras. It's so much bigger than we think. And Upling, they're doing it in collaboration with a Jamaican company called Canix. And so they're coming in December, and they're continuing to raise funds and donations until then.
Which part them come from? Which part you say?
From
Which
the
part
U.S. They're based in Maryland, Washington. It's a black-owned cannabis company. Hello?
We don't have the stigma we still live on ganja and all them something. And people are say, well, when they talk about ganja, man want food. But ganja bring food. Ganja bring food for a whole heap of people.
Yeah, ganja is food. It's literal. Apart from the product itself, what weed does for us, we're talking about the people it employs. So if you don't have a work, you don't have money, you can't feed your family, your house gone, your land gone, you can't plant back nothing. You know, where do you start? It's crippling. And then for people who are not directly affected in that way, what's going to happen is that you're going to start paying much more for local grown weed. And you're going to say holy for imported weed. So your quality, everything long term is just, it's not looking good unless we help our farmers.
Okay. Well, it's so now we, I tell you, everything get a leak. I tell you. All right. So the Ganja Farmers Association there, I think IRV kind of have a big part tonight now. We have a coming together of the farmers them and decide what is the next move.
All right, I'm not privy to that. Yeah, I'm not privy to that. I can't speak on that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not in the association.
No, I know you're not the Ganja Farmers Association. Well, maybe more have to ask IRV then. But I know say.
Reggae Radio, IRE FM.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. IRE FM, IRE FM, IRE FM.
Yes. Technical difficulties. We are going to the African names now. And we're going to start with the female names. Ayofemi. Ayofemi. Ayofemi means joy. Farai. F-A-R-I, Farai. Farai means the queen. Jaha. J-A-H-A, Jaha. Jaha means dignity. And Kisaye. K-I-S-A-Y-E, Kisaye means belonging to God. So that's Ayofemi, A-Y-O-F-E-M-I means joy. Fahai, F-A-R-I, Farai. The queens, Jaha, Jaha. J-A-H-A, Jaha means dignity. And Kisaye, K-I-S-A-Y, Kisaye means belonging to God. That's the female names. Male names. Olufemi, O-L-U-F-E-M-I, Olufemi.
Olafi means God gave me this. God gave me this. Ogolo. Ogolo. O-G-O-L-U. Ogolo means he came at the right time. Nice name that. He came at the right time. Ndidi. Ndidi. N-D-I-D-I. Ndidi means patience. Patience. Menelik. Menelik, was the king of Ethiopia from about 1844 to 1913. Them don't give the meaning of the name, but them just say it was a great king. It was a great king. So Menelik, M-E-N-E-L-E-K, Menelik. So that's Olufemi, O-L-U-F-E-M-I. Olufemi means God gave me this. Ogolo, O-G-O-L-U, Ogolo. He came at the right time. Indeed, N-D-I-D-I, indeed means patience. And Menelik, M-E-N-E-L-E-K, Menelik. African names. Yes, me no come from Africa at all. So you know, we are go, say we'll talk to the version about the water situation in the north coast there and part of the west. And I don't know, somebody, I'll read something where somebody write me and tell me, say, yeah, when you say 50%, it's not 50% of the population. Why you not prepared that want to come here, Why you not prepared that want to come here? Anyway, with the pan serious time in Jamaica, it's history. Children will be talking about this. I talk about the young people right now when they have nowhere to live. And them parents' house blow away and them house things blow away. People will be talking about this for years and years and years and years. Because you talk about 51 storm, which was 1 year before me born. Named Charlie. A Charlie named Hurricane Charlie. But I come experience Gilbert. Apart from that, a little one them, but Gilbert is the one where really strike big. But that was a category 13. This one is a category 5. It's the biggest hurricane ever passed through the Caribbean, them say. And it hit Jamaica hard. And we have to get together, we have to come together and rebuild this place. I don't know how it will do, how long it will take, but it have to do. We have some things out here going, okay? We can rectify the thing and see if it can rectify. Yes, we have to really figure out what is the next move after we don't get the people them water and little food this and little food that and toilet paper and all them stuff there. How long we going to do it for? Because every day is an everyday thing now, How long we going to do it for? We're not only for things still never reach a Jamaica yet. The amount of crate, you see, we are reach and trailer and all them something there. It's half of the things that I say, I come to Jamaica, not reach yet. And I don't that might go on. People, the holiday come. Can you imagine the holiday come and you have to sleep on that zinc cluster? And you know, say they have all your house and all them something there. And then no, you don't matter about Black Friday. We have to go really past that, Okay, we have to go like a Black Friday. Trust me. Because it's really a red Friday. That is where it happened. And then we have to go postpone Christmas, Yeah, man, Christmas have to go postpone because nothing now going on for the people, Nothing now going on for the people, But yet you gotta still have dance and party and swing like hell to alleviate the problems that black people them have in a Jamaica right now. Cause maybe I'm with that can sue them. Maybe I'm with that. Because trust me, man, if you go to church now, you're going to feel more depressed. You're going to feel more depressed. You got to church, you're going to get the pastor talk about this, I know why you're not again in your ears. You lose your house, you lose this, you lose that. You have something to revive you. If you even live in a little bubble for a little time, you know, because everybody right now who lose them players, them need some bubble, you know, to isolate them, just a little time and a half to just make them, you know, get over certain things. Because trust me, it will take a little while to get over it, little while, long while too. Anyway, I'll play some music, yeah. I'll play some music and come forward. Music time.
Yo. Feel like I'm alone, man, and I hear nobody else say nothing to me.
All right. So you can't go through in a motor. You're on ear, man. You're on.
Can I hear somebody, please? Anybody up on the line?
Listen up, hot pick. Dollars, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4, hot pick and cash pot, drive time draws. Up next.
Yes. We feature in Israel Vibration. As we are saying, we know a whole heap of ones out there we never hear about them youth yet. I think one of them passed away. I think I one left in the group, you know. Still a tour. We're going to go forward, take a break and come forward, yes. Hey, we are saying if we can take some call, you know. We are saying if we can take some call, yes. I tell you, them tunes just fade away, gone. Now, never hear them tunes again unless certain people like me play them. Classical reggae music from some youth who never make them disability impede them from go out there and spread the message where them have all over the world. Israel Vibration. Yes, come on, say no matter what the crisis, things have revealed itself. We're going to take a break and come forward. Break time.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. IRIA FM.
Yes, they have a do one yell up Shane Clark. Yes, big up Shane. One yell up Nigel. Crack what them work down so. You know, we just yell them up because, yes, overcome the problems. Overcoming the problem is the best thing you can do.